Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw in the last video, we've got the catch cam put on and the lines ran and everything. This video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and mock up where we're gonna have these at. So wherever I'm gonna have them, you know what I mean? I'm gonna put like a circle around it so we know where to weld them at, and then we'll go ahead and pull the valve cover off the car, and we're gonna go up to Harbor Freight and everything, and we're gonna get those weldless rods. And yeah, we're gonna go from there to Dustin's shop. We're gonna get this all put together and everything, and then get this whole valve cover sandblasted and everything, and powder coated in this video. So stay tuned for that. We'll show you guys the whole procedure of how to strip your valve cover for powder coating and stuff, you know. So let's get this valve cover pulled off. Alright guys, so we made it up to the homie Dustin's. This is the valve cover that he powder coated for us, and this is the one that obviously came off the Accord. I was going to use this one, but we're going to end up just doing this one since it's already been powder coated. He said it'll be easier to clean and recoat than stripping the paint and everything off of this one. So I went ahead and marked back here where I pretty much got this one marked. So we're going to make some holes in it, get these pushed in, and see if we can weld them in and then get it on. All in my Crocs. That was hot. Yes, sir. RTV.
I thought it would burn right through it, you know? It's on there. That one looks better. I have to use this wheel.
It does the job, that's all that matters.
It's on the back anyway.
Yeah. It ain't pretty. But
it's a DIY yourself.
But guess what? They're on there and they're not coming off. Hot? Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and get in the oven, get it warmed up, and then we'll spray some powder on that baby. How long are we gonna bake this for?
350 is when the cookies are done.
The 350? For how long?
It's
all this work? I was gonna say, it's far from that time, homie.
Yeah. That's what time it is.
Does these work too?
Yeah, they work.
Damn, bro, so we can make hot dogs or burgers right now?
I mean, if you want.
Shit. They just cleaned out the gun and everything so we can get it all ready to put the powder in it. And we're getting the valve cover out of there in a little bit. Then we're gonna lay it down again. We're just gonna do red on that one, just like it was. And yeah, see how it comes out.
This is by far the easiest way.
Woohoo! Yes, sir. So, about time to lay some powder down. Might need to connect the air, bro.
Alrighty, that's it. That's red.
I like that look better.
Huh?
I like it looking just like that.
Oh, it'll change.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, it sucks you can't stay powder looking.
Yeah.
Get some clear coat, just. Alright guys, so we're back at the shop. As you can see, valve cover is powder coated. We have the bungs welded on the back. So now what I'm gonna do is gotta put this here. I don't like how it's white though, so I'm gonna clean that up and stuff. And yeah, paint it black probably. That ain't gonna hurt it, but yep, that's what we're gonna do. And then I got brand new valve stem seals, or spark plug tube seals, the ones that go in here. So I'm gonna put those in. This valve cover gasket's new, you know, we just put it on this. So I'm gonna put some RTV along the inside of this valve cover and then put that in, and then along that as well. And then we'll get that slap back on there and get the lines connected on this and everything, and should be good. So let's get that going. Alright guys, so we got the garments in there. Got the gasket in with RTV on both sides, so there's no leaks. For some reason this car always likes leaking in that one back corner right there. Even though it's all new, just wants to leak. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a paper towel, wipe off the head and everything, and go ahead and get that on there. Then we can connect those lines and everything and all that stuff, and we should be good. Well, well, well. Look at that. Catch can installed. Bungs installed. Lines and everything are all on. Valve covers on. We killed it, guys. Look at that. Making improvements on the Accord. Little by little. We got a powder coated valve cover on there. Looking nice and good. I was going to use this one, like I said. But it just, that white on there just gets so dirty, as you can clearly see. And no matter how much I cleaned it or whatnot, it just wouldn't look good. So I figured we'll just go with a traditional red valve cover, and I think it looks fire. I like it. I am happy with it. So still goes with the theme of the red of the car. And then this one later on we'll get done with the bungs and everything in it, and that will be changed up as well to match with the car. But check it out, guys. So seems like that's good. That's working. It's hot, guys, but I'm excited with that. So let me know about your guys' thoughts in the comments about the placement and everything of the oil catch can, and how you guys like how it turned out. Alright guys, so like I said, it's all together. I drove it around the complex here a little bit, stuff. Like I said, I ain't trying to be on the car right now because of this front seal. It is leaking, as you guys can see a little bit right there. So I want to get that fixed. And also want to get the whole carpet in there and tighten everything down on the front end again. Make sure everything's good and snug, axles, all that stuff. And then from there we should be good to throw it back on the dyno and stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm excited for this car to be done. I know you guys are too. Thank you for everybody supporting me and helping me through this and telling me to keep pushing, don't give up. Regardless, you know, I'm not giving up, but you guys saying that motivates me more and encourages me more and everything to get out here to get this car going for you guys and for my enjoyment also, you know. And I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. So to show me that, please smash that like button for me and sub if you're not subbed. It means the world to me and it's free, you know what I mean? So yeah, so what I'm gonna do real quick for you guys to show my appreciation for you guys for watching this video and supporting me through this build and everything. Even though we're not done, we're far from done with this car, you know, but to show my appreciation to you guys and stuff, we're gonna end it with a shop burnout. I've never done a shop burnout in this car, so why not do it with the car of the channel, you know, the start of the channel. So I'm gonna set you guys up inside the shop on the tripod and we're gonna go ahead and send it with a massive burnout. So smash that like button for me, guys. Sub if you're not subbed. Let's get to this burnout. Definitely feel something in the front end loose on this thing, how it acts and drives. So yep. Alright, let's park this thing then we get back to it. Yo! Alright guys, so as you can see I made a bit of a mess here with the Accord, but it's all good. So I know y'all can say that ain't nothing crazy or any of this, but remember the car is not really tuned, and you know, a few times in there I started seeing it get a little lean, so I had to lay out of it and stuff, and I don't want to blow up the engine, but I do owe you guys something, and I figured you guys would have liked a little burnout and stuff. I promise once this car is good and tuned and all that, I will give you all the burnout y'all deserve, and I'll smash the limiter and all that. But that's all I can do for now without breaking the engine and stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Please smash the like button for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. So like always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so y'all get notified when we post. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.